Class 10 is chapter on electricity. The first question is what is electricity? Electricity is a kind of energy which is produced by movement of charges. Though there are two types of electricity, two types of electricity or two kinds are there, but we are concerned here by current electricity. So here electricity in general is a type of energy which is produced by transfer or passage of electrons or charges. In here there are two types of charges: positive charge and negative charge. Positive charges and negative charges. Actually, these charged particles are due to presence of proton or electrons in atom. Charges, they remain on fundamental atomic particles. They cannot be created or destroyed. So, positive and negative charges. Positive charges, proton, whose symbol is P, it carries positive charge. One proton has a positive charge of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Charge on proton on one proton is this, and charge on one electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Here coulomb is unit of charge, and this 10 to the power minus 19 means a very small part of coulomb is charge on a proton. These are fundamental charges. Both are equal and opposite. This one on proton is positive. So what happens whenever electrons are transferred from one body to the other? The body from which electrons goes on other body becomes positive charge, because in initial state protons and electrons are equal on the bodies if it is in neutral state. But if electrons are transferred from one body to the other, the body from which electrons are transferred becomes positively charged, and the body on which electrons are transferred, the body getting that those electrons becomes negatively charged. This is the rule. So there are two types of charges, and unit of charge is coulomb. So I told you the amount of charge on one electron or one proton. So let us calculate. This question comes often. How many electrons collectively hold one coulomb? So you can calculate very easily. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge is on one electron. Therefore, 1 coulomb, which is a big amount of charge, will be carried by 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electrons. Let us simplify it. 1 into 10 to the power 19 goes up, becomes power positive. 1.6 is here. So it is 10 upon 60 into 10 to the power 19 electrons. It is 5 upon 8. So divide 5 by 8. 5 divided by 8 or take 1 from here, write 50 into 10 to the power 18 upon 8 electrons. Divide 50 by 8, you will get 8 6 48. 2 is here, 1 0 carries, 8 2 16, 4 0 5. So it becomes 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons charge is 1 coulomb. The thing is very simple and clear. These cluster of electrons 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 means this decimal will go 18 places to write, means it will be very difficult to count the number of electrons. See, 6 is one place and 18 more places means 19 places more. A number of 19 places you can count unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, arab, 10 arab, kharab, 10 kharab, neel, 10 neel, padma, then 10 padma. I have here up to 17 places. Then Sankh, 10 Sankh. So Sankh means huge number of electrons when joined together 1 coulomb charge is produced. So this is a very big number. Try to understand. And this question is very common. How many electrons combine to have a 1 coulomb charge? Here in electricity, we shall study about definition of ampere. If 1 coulomb charge is passed through the cross section of a conductor in 1 second, then strength of current is 1 ampere. So living many things, I will tell you that. So 1 ampere is unit of current. Current electricity. Unit of current is 1 ampere. Ampere. It is in the honor of name Professor Ampere. 1 ampere is the current flowing through a conductor if 1 coulomb of charge pass through the cross section of conductor in 1 second. In 1 second. It means if 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons collectively pass through the cross section of conductor in 1 second. If in 1 second, in 1 second 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electron pass through the cross section of wire or conductor, then that current will be 1 ampere. current in electricity. Try to understand it. So later on, now I shall. This is current definition of unit of current. Unit, what is unit of current? Ampere. That I told you. But what is current? The rate of flow of charges in a conductor is called current. Before it, we have to understand the definition of current. Current. The rate of flow of charges through the cross section of a conductor or electrons is known as electric current. Whose unit is ampere, as I told you. So this is electric current, correct, or electric current, you can say electric current. Now, one word is still missing, that is potential. What is potential? Potential is the electrical condition of a point in an electric field. So potential is electrical condition and it is the electrical potential is the electrical condition of a condition of a point or conductor it is electrical condition of a point or conductor and it is measured by the amount of water and is measured is common here is measured by the amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to the point in the electric field to the point or to the conductor in electric field. Unit of potential or potential difference is volt. What is potential difference? The difference between potentials of 2 points in an electric field is known as potential difference. Second point is potential difference. Potential difference. The difference of potentials is potential of 2 points or 2 conductors in an electric field is known as potential difference and it is measured by bringing a unit positive charge from one conductor to the other in the electric field. It is given in your book, so try to understand. Potential difference PD and unit of PD or potential is volt. What is volt? So 1 volt is defined as the amount of work done in bringing 1 joule of charge, 1 joule in bringing 1 coulomb charge from one point or one conductor to the other. So 1 volt is equal to 1 joule over 1 coulomb. 1 volt is the potential difference between two conductors or 2 points in an electric field or in electric fields. If 1 joule of work is done in bringing 1 coulomb positive charge from one point to the other. This is definition of volt. And there in electric current I have told you 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. Try to understand. Means 1 ampere is amount of current if 1 coulomb with charge passes through the cross section of conductor in 1 second. So two important things are here. One is electric current, other is potential difference, and relation of their units I have given. Potential difference PD, that is V is written, it is W work done upon charge, and here current is equal to charge upon time. So take these relations, and now this video becomes more than 16 or 17 minutes. So I am taking a break here. Later on I shall produce.